are back. Guess what we're about to do? I am about to show you guys me actually doing an Instacart order. I have an assistant and it is not alcohol. So, y'all ready? Let's go. Sorry, I was busy, but first, we are in the store and we are going to go back to the batch and start shopping. And here we go. Check out the shoes. Wasn't the right product. Okay guys, they don't have this bread, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit can't find, skip, and then they want me to pick something that is some type of replacement. So we're gonna get this bread. So you'll hit scan replacement. We only got one. And boom, at that point, the customer will get that notification and they'll let you know if they want it or not. And then you go on to the next. All right, guys, we're here with the bananas. They want about 1 pound, which is generally about this amount. Oh my God. See, that notification means either she accepted or she didn't. We'll look at that in a moment. But one bunch, 1 pound, found. Gonna put 1 pound and confirm. And there you go. Okay guys, we got some stuff here. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to scan it in. Got the mail. Hit find. Scan. Look for the strawberries. Found. They're gonna do that in Kroger if you have a Kroger in your town. Just skip scanning. Is this item correct? Yes. You're gonna take a picture. And these are some of the things that you would just learn as you go. We're gonna use photo. Sweet potato, she only wanted one. We have one here. Is it pre-packaged? No. One. And the was correct and confirmed. Green onions. We got that here, and celery, probably gonna go the same way we found that. Now we're about to get this baby food. Okay, 4, and that's it. I'm gonna scan the 1 and 4. Boom, just that easy. In Kroger, as you can see, it tells you the aisle, so that makes it a little easy for you. So we know we're going to aisle 38. So let's go. See it here? Scan. Boom.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Oh, hanging on in there, baby.
That's
good, trying to get the
And that's why I'm coming next. I'm on my way.
Which one do you need?
I need, let me see.
Don't tell me the 18. But you have the same time. You need 18.
I need the 18 brown eggs.
We'll see you getting in about another hour.
Yep. Sounds about right.
Maybe make that jump.
I got to. Got to. She won't both. It's under the price. Alright guys. We exceeded our time. I normally it's done before this time, but because we're recording, we went over a little bit, but it's cool. Now we're gonna hit review changes. We're gonna go to checkout. At this point, they cannot add anything on to this order, so that's a good thing. So then we're gonna go to start checkout.
Said she really like my music, and now she wanna come and do it. I mean, I'm steady acting stupid, cause we ain't never gonna do it. Say I'm always looking clueless, I'm steady doing what I'm doing. Ooh, that dress is scandalous. The way you
While
move
he's
it,
back
you
up,
can't
I
live.
generally like to hit done. Next. Fill out your card. Kroger.
Confessing me. I think you're contesting me. Always confessing me. Shawty moving like the ocean from the West Indies. Make her undress for me.
Yeah, enter the info by taking a picture of the receipt. Submit. Next. And now we're on to their home. Oh yeah, sorry, gotta keep the receipt. Always keep the receipt, guys. Do not give the receipt to the customer.
Sorry I was busy, but I missed you.
Okay, guys, we made it to the house. I'm getting ready to drop this stuff off. Stand by. Guys, once you get there, you're gonna hit confirm arrival. And then it's gonna ask you to you can either meet the client or leave it at the door. We're gonna leave it at the door. Then it's gonna prompt you to take a picture. All right, guys, we took the picture and now we're gonna hit submit. And that's it. Complete delivery.